What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Woohoo! What's up, everybody? Shipwreck and I, we're working on this RX7 right there, right there.
Finally.
Yep.
It's gonna get a roll bar, cage, metal.
Finally, we're installing the roll cage. We got Remy coming over. He's gonna do all the welding. Right now, what are we gonna do right now? We're just gonna move the car.
Move stuff around, get it all set up. So the pro gets here, he can have his working set done.
Yeah, for reals. Getting everything ready. And yeah, let's get this going. Woohoo! Now here's our little fabrication area. We don't really talk about it too much, but yeah, we want the welder, you know, the cutting utensils, the cutting tools, everything we need to like fabricate, weld, and make things happen, right?
Yeah.
Here's the roll cage. Everything's in pieces. The whole, I don't know what you call this thing. The whole hoop bar, hoopalali, hoopananny, happanoonie. The other day, Shipwreck went and got some gas, so we got the gas in there. Wires all up and ready. Right now, what are you doing right now? Setting up?
I was just saying GoPro. But
Ooh, we're gonna get GoPro.
I think all everything for welding and grinding and cutting we have. It's just making those first incisions on the RX7 and
yeah.
hoping we don't fuck it up.
Right. So pretty much these the convertibles are really hard to put a roll cage in, or not really hard. They're just a little finicky, right?
They're a little tricky, yeah.
Yeah, they're a little tricky. So this is pretty much what we're gonna try to do. Shipwreck will kind of explain a little better than me.
Well, mainly because the convertibles don't have the room that the coupes have, so you know you have all this mechanical stuff for where the top goes. Once that's probably the most tricky part, is getting that lined up and making sure we have clearance, because after that the other points are just 2 bars going back, 2 bars to the floorboard, and just welding up some extra support there, and that shouldn't be that much of a deal. Or look at this baby so she don't get hurt.
I know. Yeah, yeah. This is pretty awesome. Almost ready to do it. That's cool. We're just waiting on Remy, and Joey's coming with him. So Remy and Joey, Shipwreck and I. It's a full POHBOYS house today. Woohoo! What you doing, buddy?
Clearing off this area.
Getting all ready.
You know, the wires went all right here, so cut right here. That should be clear. Hopefully this doesn't catch on fire.
No, we'll get the fire extinguisher. Somebody quick. Where's somebody quick at?
Yeah, we need to move him.
There's somebody quick. All right, let me get him. Somebody quick. I'm trying to look through the damn lens, and then all right, here we go. We got somebody quick. Right there. Is it heavy? Oh, this is the sheet you got. That's a good size. We can make some other brackets and stuff with that.
It's a pretty thick. It's good size.
That's windy today. It feels nice.
I know. As soon as the sun goes,
A little fleet of cars.
Away, it's just wind.
Yeah.
It's just not bad when you're indoors.
It's buried in the sand. All right, Joey's here. Whoa. What's up, buddy?
Get on the lift.
Like, oh damn, glad we could do that.
What's up, brother?
Not much.
Remy's coming through the back right now.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Sweet. Dang, that's
Not
pretty cool.
I almost dropped it coming in.
Oh, really?
Because I came in hot and I kicked the kickstand down to get the gate.
Uh-huh.
And the kickstand didn't open up.
Dang.
Now that's the entrance.
Woohoo! What's up, buddy? Welcome back. Dang, some sick donies, huh?
Now that's the POHBOYS.
Yeah. You ready to do this?
Yep, let's do it.
All right.
What's the plan, Dave? Remy?
What's the plan?
Figuring it out, bud.
So, like, are they blocking?
Like what?
Like it's blocking the car. I'm like, it's gonna be there. Visualize it. It's kind of, well, at least in competing, he's got to compete with Google.
Double barreling it?
Double barrel shot.
Oh, shoot. Oh my goodness. Po boy.
This goes
Yes,
in here.
that's a swooping.
Boys?
Boys.
They're heavy. They're counterbalancing right all the time.
Right off of there.
Yeah, we'll see where the seat lays.
Well, I don't have the other seats, so that's.
Yeah, I want to almost go flush with that other plate. Basically, we're just taking over that little edge. Probably up to like right here. Drove with like maybe a 1/4 inch between the plate. This one. Yeah.
That's why I just double check because I'm gonna take off the sliders because I need to drop this whole wheel. Or the seat needs to drop.
Yep.
Oh, that's what I want, dude. One lap around the track.
Like, I want to try.
660. Say like right here. Oh, it just goes like straight up.
Well, we're gonna notch it anyway, so it'll
Like
go
right
sit
there?
differently.
Well, it's gonna go middle
Yeah,
more.
you need to go on my side more.
Yeah, you gotta push to
Right there?
another inch over.
We're good. Oh, look, damn, po boys. So you're tacking it in right now? This side, driver's side?
Got both in.
All right. Oh, both sides?
But yeah, get it all tacked up and measure. You want to make sure it's gonna do before you weld it, because that shit's not coming off.
Nope. We got it.
We got it.
We got it.
Got it.
Yep, got it. Measure
9.
9?
We're cutting 9 first.
All right, we're
All
doing
right,
9.
po boy, go viewers.
Girl Raj, po boys, garage, girl Raj,
Oh, for the ladies, we're gonna make shirts for you. POHBOYS garage.
girl Raj. Take it. What are we doing?
Well, you gotta get on this side. I'm helping now.
Yeah, I'm over here now.
I'm cameraman. I'm not supposed to be helping. I'm supposed to be observing. Ooh. Load a spark plug and put some gas to it, then it just sprays gas behind your head.
Flame.
Flames.
Flame on.
Right in the garage. The pipes are too narrow,
Yeah,
so
but they're, like,
they have to be
spread
stretched.
Oh, that's not yours.
Hey, look, Remy's a rapper.
I didn't know. Parappa the rapper? Pretty much what we're doing is I was gonna say spread the cheeks. We gotta spread the cheeks. Shipwreck, explain what you're doing.
I'm spraying the cheeks.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you wanna go down more low.
Hi.
There we go. We're good.
Lower. Right there.
Right there is good.
All right. Get the tape. Measure the cheeks. Weld them in.
There we go. Weld those cheeks in.
I'll put it in the middle. Yeah, center of fire.
Just get it to the Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, center. We want the center 52 1/4.
Do it up.
Wait, it's moving.
Go ahead.
Put the tape measure to it.
Keep going. We're gonna have to stretch it a little further. No. Try to. Okay, what's the number on that? From that to the bend, the start of the bend. No, the first one. First bend. Here? Yeah. The start of the bend.
24.
24, okay, now go to the bottom of the pipe.
But now the angle's gonna drop it, or you're just gonna weld it straight like that.
So we're gonna go 1/8 of an inch, baby angle.
Yeah, baby.
3/4 basically. Or no, 1/2 inch, 7/5.
Someone's phone's ringing.
Not sure. Perfect, homie.
It's older than you. This car's older than you.
Look. Watch your eyes.
See that clamp?
Oh shit, yeah.
I was always doing.
Pull it out a little bit. Both of you guys might have to do it.
Ready? Right there? I'm doing much. It should hold.
Kids, baby.
Amazing.
Good? It's good?
Close the top. Close the top.
Yeah, let's test it before we weld it.
Don't hang on to it.
No, I mean-
Hey, I got some good tacks on there, but
okay,
you
okay.
can pull-ups on that fucking. You could fucking.
Listen to me.
You could plank on that thing right
All
now.
right, let's see what we got.
Woo!
Oh,
That's perfect.
Oh!
That's fucking perfect.
That's big.
That's great.
That's big. POHBOYS are
For like never doing one of these, I think that's.
That's professional.
Like, yeah, we could have gone up another 1/4 inch.
No, dude.
Nah, but
that looks
That's fine.
good right there.
That's good, dude.
That's
Look
right
at
where
that.
you want
legit.
it.
That's
Have a little
good.
bit of room.
Your little room. You got this hinge right here. If you went up more, you'd be right on the hinge,
You
dude.
want to be rubbing.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good, dude. Woo!
That's about as good as it gets.
What do you think? What do you think, Joey?
I don't want to speak before it finishes, but
We're on a good.
Yeah, we're on a good one. We're on a good one. We're on a good one.
Graduating high school from professionals.
To professionals. Well, this is only pro right here. We're the pose. We're the pose.
Hey. The one with the pole, all the pros. Yo.
Woohoo! All right, so I haven't been really good at filming, but we got a lot done. Remy got some good welding done.
It's called weed.
Shipwreck, can you break us down a little bit? What's going on right now? So,
Trying some fitment positioning.
okay, so with this one, it's not welded yet, but we want to check it out. It's going down there. Remy welded some plates down here. You got some light. There we go. Yeah, we didn't film any of it, but there's some plates right there. Remy is going to notch it, weld it, and then we got this side one, which goes up right there, and then we'll repeat it on that other side. And
we'll do some bars over here.
yeah, the bar will go on the back side. But today
Put some
we're
tires in
almost
between.
well, we're almost done for the night. It's getting late, so we're just gonna finish the little sidebars, and then eventually, probably tomorrow, right? What are you talking about? Tomorrow? Tomorrow you're gonna finish the other side.
You guys will know.
Woohoo! It's been a couple days already. Grammy's back. I know. Yeah, it's been a weekend experience. Next day, everybody. Yeah. Next.
Rest.
We rested up. It's just-
too high? Go
I
under.
think it's just a little bit lower.
Grinding.
Woo! Look at that. Got it all the way down. All mounted, all welded up. Now we just gotta do the driver's side?
Yep.
Alright. Driver's side's next. Getting it done. Shipwreck shaving it down. We're now at 15.
Here.
Straight on the line pretty much, huh?
I'll just take the barrel.
Well, unfortunately,
You can just take it off, take a picture.
we ran out of wire. It's in the back side.
Here, you
You gotta take that.
cut that bolt off. And that.
The nut right there comes off. If you have the tool there.
I was like just
Yeah.
thinking about it. I was like, man, how long?
But it's pretty much all the way in, huh? I just gotta just do a little
More welding.
bit more. Tomorrow, do some more, right? Yep, another day. Another day, another weld shipwreck.
All it goes in like.
So, yep, looks like we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Woo! So nice out.
First the top, then the bottom. Notice anything else?
On the third day of welding, Remy gave to me.
Is it stuck?
How's it coming?
It's coming, bud.
Yeah? Oh, wow.
We put in those plates to strengthen it as well.
I know, it looks nice. Did you guys have to like hammer it on or what?
And kind of.
Kinda, just kinda get that little,
floor first.
oh yeah? Just get that little bend, huh?
Yeah. I just used the pipe and that fucking sled.
Oh, okay. And you guys got the harness bar on?
Yeah.
Woo! That's cool, man.
Go to the outside though. Like the back. The back of the pipe. From there to there. You flush.
No, yeah, go.
If you flush, you should be good.
Oh, I'm all in your face. No way.